Good morning, everybody. This is day one, so we're going to do a quick refresher on how to get logged into Canvas. You're going to need to get in here so you can view the videos for today and all of what you're going to need. So if you can see the screen behind me here, what you're going to want to do is get logged into email first. That's the very first thing you want to do. Get logged into your email. I'm not going to go over to my email because of personal things there, but when you get logged into Google, at the top of your email, you will still see this over here in the top right. Okay, next to your little icon, you're going to see this waffle icon. You're going to click that, and then you will want to scroll down. You're going to click on this right here, Canvas LMS. You click on that, and you are logged in. Okay, simple as that. You're going to see these blocks here, these little courses for each of your classes, and you're going to click on the one that says Homeroom. And when you click on Homeroom, you are going to see our front page here. The important link is going to be right here, Homeroom Zoom link. That's going to be the important one, okay? So you click on that. That will start Zoom for you. You'll have to wait for me to let you in. So just click on that one and then wait for me to let you in, okay? Have a good day.